Are you tired of watching your garden wither away, despite your best efforts? The Amish have unlocked the secrets to growing bountiful gardens for generations without relying on modern technology. It sounds like magic, but their unconventional methods are rooted in tradition and proven results. Get ready to discover the unexpected ways the Amish coax life from their gardens and learn how you can apply these techniques to your backyard. Let's dive in. Hack 1. Raw eggs in the soil. This might sound crazy, but it works. Raw eggs in the soil under tomatoes is an old Amish trick that provides a surprising boost to these plants. Imagine cracking open a raw egg and burying it beneath the soil, where it slowly breaks down, releasing nutrients that tomatoes crave. The eggshells provide calcium, essential for cell wall development and overall plant structure. Meanwhile, the eggs themselves become a rich source of nutrients as they decompose. As the eggs break down, they release these nutrients into the soil, where they're absorbed by the tomato plants. This natural fertilizer promotes healthy growth and fruit production. Another benefit of using raw eggs is their ability to deter pests. Slugs and snails, notorious tomato pests, are repelled by the sulfur compounds released as the eggs decompose. This natural pest control method can help protect your tomato plants from these slimy critters. Hack 2. Milk or molasses on plants. Using milk or molasses as a natural plant treatment is a surprising yet effective way to boost plant health. These common household items have been used for centuries in gardening, and their benefits are backed by science. Milk contains proteins and fats that can help to strengthen plant cell walls, making them more resistant to disease and pests. It also contains lactic acid, which can help to lower the pH of the soil, making it more hospitable to plants that prefer acidic conditions. This unique combination of properties makes milk a valuable addition to any gardening toolkit. Molasses, on the other hand, is a rich source of micronutrients like iron, calcium, and potassium. These nutrients are essential for healthy plant growth and can help to promote robust root development, lush foliage, and abundant blooms. When used as a foliar spray or added to the soil, molasses can provide a much-needed boost to plant health. To try this hack, simply mix 1 part milk or molasses with 10 parts water and apply it to your plants as a foliar spray, or add it to the soil around the base of the plants. You can also use it as a compost activator to speed up the decomposition process and create a nutrient-rich soil amendment. With its surprising yet effective benefits, milk or molasses is a natural plant treatment that's worth trying in your garden. Hack 3. Banana peel. Fertilizer tea. Banana peel fertilizer tea might sound like a quirky gardening trick, but it's a surprisingly effective way to provide potassium-rich nutrients to your plants. Banana peels are packed with potassium, an essential nutrient that promotes healthy plant growth, flower production, and overall plant vigor. To make banana peel tea, simply save your banana peels and chop them into small pieces. Place the chopped peels in a bucket of water and let them steep for a few days. The resulting liquid is a nutrient-rich fertilizer that can be used to feed your plants. The potassium in the banana peels will help to promote healthy root development, improve plant resistance to disease, and support overall plant growth. Using banana peel tea is a great way to reduce waste and create a natural chemical-free fertilizer for your garden. The benefits of banana peel tea don't stop there. It's also a cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative to synthetic fertilizers. By using banana peels, you're reducing waste and creating a natural fertilizer that's gentle on the environment. Give banana peel tea a try and see the difference it can make in your garden. Hack 4. Ashes or eggshells in garden beds. An old-school trick that's been passed down through generations of Amish gardeners is using ashes or eggshells in garden beds to deter pests and improve soil health. Imagine walking through a lush garden, the scent of blooming flowers and fresh earth filling the air, and the sound of birds chirping in the distance. They have long known that ashes and eggshells can be used to repel pests and improve soil structure. Wood ashes, for example, are high in potassium and calcium, making them a valuable resource for plants that require these nutrients. Eggshells, on the other hand, are a good source of calcium and can help to deter slugs and snails, which don't like the feeling of crawling over sharp surfaces. Simply sprinkle wood ashes or crushed eggshells around the base of your plants. The ashes will help to improve soil fertility and structure, while the eggshells will deter pests and add calcium to the soil. By using ashes or eggshells in your gardening routine, you can join the ranks of these skilled gardeners and enjoy the many benefits of a well-tended garden. Hack 5. Companion planting. Odd couples. In the world of Amish gardening, companion planting is an art form. By pairing plants that complement each other, gardeners can create a harmonious and thriving ecosystem. One of the most intriguing aspects of companion planting is the use of odd couples, plants that don't seem like they'd work well together, but do. They have long recognized the benefits of pairing plants like basil and strawberries, which may seem like an unlikely duo, but can improve growth and flavor. By pairing plants that repel pests or attract beneficial insects, gardeners can reduce the need for pesticides and create a more balanced ecosystem. Some plants, like marigolds and nasturtiums, release chemicals that repel nematodes and other pests, while others, like basil and mint, can improve the flavor and aroma of nearby plants. Carefully selecting which plants to pair together helps create a garden that's not only beautiful, but also highly productive and resilient. So which odd couples should you try in your garden? Consider pairing basil with strawberries, as they do, to improve flavor and repel pests. Hack 6. Using coffee grounds as fertilizer. The morning brew meets the evening harvest. In their gardens, coffee grounds are a prized resource, used to fertilize and nourish the soil. It's a clever trick that's been passed down through generations, and for good reason. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, making them a valuable addition to any garden. To try this hack, simply sprinkle used coffee grounds around the base of your plants. The nitrogen in the coffee grounds will help to promote leafy growth, while the phosphorus will support root development and flower production. Plus, the coffee grounds will help to improve soil structure and fertility, making it easier for plants to absorb the nutrients they need. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or herbs, coffee grounds are a simple and effective way to give your plants a boost. So next time you're brewing a cup of coffee, consider saving the grounds for your garden. Your plants will thank you. Hack 7. Planting marigolds with tomatoes. A match made in heaven. In Amish gardens, marigolds and tomatoes are often planted together, and for good reason. This classic companion planting combination is a powerful way to promote healthy tomato growth and deter pests. The bright orange and yellow flowers of the marigold plant repel nematodes, whiteflies, and other pests that can damage tomatoes, while also attracting beneficial insects that prey on these pests. Plus, marigolds are easy to grow and require minimal maintenance, making them a perfect companion plant for tomatoes. Whether you're growing cherry tomatoes or beefsteaks, planting marigolds alongside them can help to promote healthy growth and abundant harvests. Give this hack a try and see the difference it can make in your garden. Hack 8. Using diatomaceous earth for pest control. A natural guardian of the garden. In their gardens, diatomaceous earth is a trusted ally in the fight against pests. This fine powder is made from the fossilized remains of tiny aquatic organisms called diatoms, and it's a powerful tool for controlling slugs, snails, and insects. When insects crawl over diatomaceous earth, the sharp edges of the powder cut into their bodies, causing them to dehydrate and die. It's a simple yet effective way to protect your plants from pests without using harsh chemicals. They have long recognized the benefits of diatomaceous earth for pest control. By sprinkling this powder around the base of their plants, they can create a barrier that repels pests and protects their crops. Diatomaceous earth is safe to use around pets and children, and it's a great alternative to chemical pesticides. Plus, it's long-lasting and can be reused throughout the growing season. Whether you're battling slugs in your lettuce patch or trying to control aphids on your roses, diatomaceous earth is a natural and effective solution that's worth trying. Hack 9. Creating a homemade compost tea. Liquid gold for your garden. For Amish, compost tea is a prized resource used to nourish and protect plants. This liquid fertilizer is made by steeping compost in water, which extracts the beneficial microbes and nutrients. The result is a rich, dark liquid that's teeming with life and goodness for your plants. To make your compost tea, simply add a bucket of compost to a larger bucket of water and let it steep for 24 to 48 hours. You can add aeration to the mixture by using a bubbler or stirring it regularly. The resulting liquid can be used as a foliar spray or added to the soil around your plants. Compost tea is a great way to introduce beneficial microbes to your soil, which can help to break down organic matter and make nutrients more available to your plants. By using compost tea, you can enjoy healthier, more productive plants. Hack 10. Using Epsom salt for plant growth. A secret to lush, thriving plants. Epsom salt is a trusted ally for promoting healthy plant growth. This natural mineral compound is rich in magnesium and sulfur, two essential nutrients that plants need to thrive. It's a simple yet effective way to give your plants the nutrients they need to reach their full potential. To use Epsom salt in your garden, simply mix 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt with 1 gallon of water and apply it to your plants as a foliar spray, or add it to the soil around the base of the plants. The magnesium in Epsom salt will help to promote chlorophyll production and improve plant growth, while the sulfur will help to regulate soil pH and improve nutrient uptake. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or herbs, Epsom salt is a natural and effective way to promote healthy plant growth and enjoy a bountiful harvest. So why not give these garden hacks a try? Start small, experiment with different techniques, and see what works best for your garden. With patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn, you'll be amazed at the transformation your garden can undergo. Well, that's all for today. If you found this impressive, hit that like button and feel free to share your thoughts on the matter in the comments below. Happy gardening!